Hey everyone, here we are back from holiday and ready to get rolling and to finish up the Starfury from Babylon 5. So maybe 2 more videos and this one will all be done. All that's left now is paint decal finishing. So we're not doing these, we're going to do one of the traditional. I'm not sure if I'm going to do Ivanova's or the Sea Witch. I'll decide when. It doesn't matter, they're the same color, just different nose art or wing art in this case. So there are only 2 primary colors: light sea gray for the entire ship and then a metallic gray for little wing details, and that's the top and bottom. So that's really the only color. I'm probably going to do a blue engine glow with the airbrush, just so we have kind of just a little contrast color. And we're of course going to do some panel lines and all that sort of stuff. So first thing we're going to need to do is give this a whole spray down with our base coat, which just happens to be gray surface primer, and we'll paint down the whole thing. And then I think we might go ahead and do all the detail work. No, you know what we're going to do is we're going to surface prime the entire thing, let it dry, then we will body paint, then we'll do our panel lines, then we will paint in with the light sea gray. Once all that's done, I'll go in and do all the detail work on the cockpit by hand, and that will be a better option, I think. So let me get the airbrush out, let's get rolling, get ready to go. Be right back, hold tight, here we are. Here we go. pre-shading done. Now once again, pre-shading is not precise and it is not clean. This is just where all the dirt tends to settle. So I look for areas like these vents, areas around all the panel lines, things like that. So next we're going to do the overpaint, which is going to be in the light sea gray, which in my case I'm using model color Vallejo, which is going to be a blue-gray pale, which is basically the same as light sea gray if I remember correctly. So that's our next step. We'll do that, then we'll get to work on the rest. And I've also gone ahead and masked off the cockpit, put a little back there, so we're going to go ahead and give that a good paint too, so all the exterior matches color like it's supposed to. Alright, let's get on it. So there we go. We've got our gray color down, nice and neat. We got our cockpit window all painted and ready to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use some of the panel liner from Testers, and we're going to go ahead and dab it where some of these engine flares are. Just pick out some details on the gun, things like that, and we'll just continue on from there. So hold tight. Alright, so here's what happened. The two lower guns fell off. Oh well, not a problem. I've gone ahead and put in my panel lines, and what I'm going to do next is I am going to go ahead and reattach the guns so they're solidly on there. Then I'm going to go over these areas with the gray one more time to kind of fade those inks in just a little bit more, give it more of a worn feeling. Then we will paint the cockpit and the pilot. We will pull the mask off of the cockpit. Once that's done, we'll add the little silver bits that are on the wingtips. I'll add a glow to the engines. Basically what I'll do is I'll be spraying white, then I'll be spraying blue in there, so it'll look like the engines have a little bit of a glow to them. I might dry brush this area with a little bit of silver, so it kind of picks out that area a bit more. But otherwise, about one more episode and the Starfury is complete. So, as always, until next time, I hope you like and subscribe my video. Let's try this again. So, if you like my video, please hit like. Feel free to subscribe. And you know what? Until next time, as always, keep on building. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Have a good one. See you next time.